Hi everyone! So today I am back with another tutorial, and this time I'm going to be showing you how I do a tortoiseshell design. So let's get started. So these are the other 5 nails I did before filming, and we're going to make a complementary set to match with just a little bit of tweaks. So the thumb and the ring finger are going to be our tortoiseshell nails. Starting off with the thumb, I'm going to put down a really thin layer of a jelly orangey yellow color. This is going to be essential for the layering technique that is a tortoiseshell design. It doesn't matter the brand, you just want to make sure it's very sheer and see-through. Next, you're going to take a sheer brown and blob it on thinly in no particular pattern. I find the messier and more blown out, the better the design looks. It is almost like you're marbling, but it's just more chunky, if that makes sense. Make sure to cure in between every layer so nothing kind of really bleeds into each other, because then it'll look a little muddy. Then you're going to do another thin layer of that honey yellow color and cure. Following that, you're going to deepen up the brown pattern we laid down by patting the color back on top, but not in every spot where the brown was, just in some places to add dimension. You can use either the brown you used before or black. I would just make sure it's not super opaque. I'm going to take this Candy Plus 3D modeling gel in clear. It does come in glitter, I just accidentally got some glitter in my pot. I'm going to take the modeling gel and roll it into a blob for the moment with my gloves. You can do this on the table too. Just make sure you have some protective film on the table. And then I'm going to take this beautiful copper color from Presto, and I'm going to work the color into the gel to mix it. It does take a little bit for it to look opaque enough for my liking. Now once the gel is ready, I'm going to place it on the nail, and then I'm going to use my metal spatula to kind of mold the gel into a circular shape and pat it down so it's the perfect thickness. I am out of focus a little bit on my camera for this next bit, but I'm going to place a little gold heart charm in the middle of the blob we just made, and then I'm going to take these little gold ball charms and place them evenly around the outside, and then once they are all in place, I'm going to make sure to cure for 60 seconds. For the pointer finger, I'm just going to do 2 coats of this creamy light yellow from DGEL. It's called Banana Mania. And then I'm going to top it with this gorgeous glitter from FGEL. It has gold and blue sparkles in it, which really ties in all the colors used in this set. For the middle finger, I'm going to do 2 coats of this really gorgeous mustard color from Blanc Bleu. It's from the fall collection that I hauled in my last video, so make sure you watch that. Once that is fully cured, I'm going to go in with this blue that is also from the same fall collection from the last video I hauled. It's a really pretty, like dusty turquoise color, and I'm going to do a paintbrush stroke. Once it looks good, I'm just going to cure. And then I'm going to take the previous Banana Mania color I just used and do another stroke. And then I'm going to take the gold that I also just used and do another little paintbrush stroke on top of the blue. I'm going to go on top of the design with this gem glue, and I'm just going to add a little charm that's, I think, Mary charm. And I'm going to add some pearls and I think a little diamond. Make sure you don't have fuzz on your tool like I do in this moment. It doesn't have to be anything super special, just like a little cluster of gems in the middle. So the ring finger is also going to be another tortoiseshell nail. So you're going to do the same steps that we did for the thumb. And then once you have your 4 layers of color down, I'm going to take the 3D modeling gel again. And I'm going to sculpt out 2 little like worms, if that makes sense. Really, really thin. I do this off camera because it took me a while and it was kind of embarrassing to do. And I just kind of place them like on the upper 4th of the nail. Once I have those fully cured, I'm going to paint on the blue that I used previously on one of the lines, and then I'm going to paint on the gold I also used previously, the copper color. And then make sure to fully cure. For the pinky, I'm just going to keep it simple, as you already know if you've watched my previous videos. I'm just going to do 2 coats of that light blue that we used before, the turquoise color. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please excuse the blood splatter on the nail tip display. I was doing a Halloween design that you will see once October hits, so just ignore that. And let me know what you think of the design in the comments down below. I've also included a little sneak peek into my next tutorial. It's a little bee inspired fall look since it's officially fall now, so please stay tuned and get your notifications on so you know when this video drops. Thank you guys. Bye.